Seriously, look at the size of this fish. It's freaking huge. Hello there. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video. And if you clicked on this video, you want to know what the hot fly is this particular month. And this month is in January. As you can see, it's pretty snowy around here. And we're going to start up a new series on the channel. Every month, I'm going to come on and kind of tell you what my confidence flies are for this particular month and what I've been catching fish on, so you can go get some of those flies yourself. And be sure to check out my website. Actually, I have a box of all of my hand-picked flies, and a lot of these hot flies are part of the 36 flies you get with this box. So what's hot for January? I've been having some success with the yummy yellow. A lot of success with the yummy yellow. And now typically that's been in still water, but I bet it would probably work in the rivers as well. But the last 2 times I've gone out already this month using that fly, I've caught fish. The other is the midge. I really don't like fishing those because they're so tiny, but another hot fly for this time of year is the midge. Now, there is a particular fly, and we'll wait to the end of the video, that you can't get, and I'll tell you why. So the other hot fly of the year is the TJ hooker or the Pat's rubber leg. I prefer it in brown or green. That is a really hot fly for the January months. The other is the jig leech, smaller jig leeches, and this really works well both in still water and in rivers. So make sure you've got a jig leech, both in olive and black. And Red's Flies actually posted a video a while back. He was out there exclusively using his jig flies, and he had a great day catching a lot of really big fish. So be sure to have that in your box as well. So what's the fly you can't get? Well, the hot fly today is the one that I tied. It is the first fly that I tied. It is a black and purple Gurglar fly, and I tied it on a really big hook because I wanted something bigger to work with because it was my first fly, and I've already landed 2 fish on it. So I have it on a sinking line with a short leader, and I put a little rudder on top so it kind of zooms around nicely in the water, and they're hammering it. So I bet you can find something similar. I'm not to the point yet where I can tie you one up, but the Gurglar seems to be working really well on a sinking line. So last fly I want to cover is the squirmy wormy or pink San Juan worm. That fly is deadly during the January months. I have no idea why. Both in still water and in rivers, that pink San Juan worm or pink squirmy wormy is a deadly fly. So be sure to have that in your box as well. All right, well, that covers January hot flies and my confidence flies, so you should definitely fill your box with those flies. And hey, if you want to learn a little bit more about fly casting, if you're somewhat new, check out this video right here. After 8 minutes, you'll be casting that fly rod just a little further than you are today. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.